I am very happy today that I crossed 1000 followers on my Instagram, which is Baked with Utkarsh. So if you're not following my Instagram, then do go check out my page and follow me. So we'll start by making our buttermilk. So we're going to take 1/4 cup of milk, adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice into it. You can also add vinegar. Mix it properly and keep it aside for a while. Meanwhile, we're going to move on by taking a big bowl. To this, we're going to add half cup of mango puree. I'm using fresh mango puree, you can also use a tin one. Now adding half cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of oil to it. Mix. You have to mix it very fast so that mango pulp, oil and sugar incorporate well into each other. Now mix it very fast. As I've told you earlier, everything should incorporate in each other very well. Mix. To this, we're gonna add 1 full cup of whole wheat flour. I'm adding it into 2 batches. I've also added 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder to the flour already. Now you're gonna mix it very gently till the time it becomes a smooth batter. Now you're gonna add the rest of your flour and mix it nicely. Now you're gonna add your milk and lemon juice solution to it. Again, mix it very nicely till the time everything incorporates well. This is mix part 2. The batter will look something like this. You need to remember the consistency. It should be same, little flowy. This is also known as ribbon stage. Now we're gonna take a mold which is already lined with oil and I have dusted flour into it. Now I'm gonna pour my batter very gently to the mold. Now to this, I'm adding some more mango pulp and giving it a marble effect. If you want, you can avoid this step. This step is not necessary. Now you're gonna put this into a cooker which is already preheated on low flame. You're gonna also bake this cake in the oven at 180-degree temperature for 30 to 35 minutes. And if you're baking in the cooker, then again it should be baked for 40 minutes. And your cake is ready. I'm layering it with some mascarpone cheese which I made for my workshop. Look at that beauty. It looks fantastic, ready to eat. And I just crossed 1000 followers on Instagram, so keep following me on Instagram as well. Khana recipe very easy and interesting, and if you like the recipe, then do comment below, share it with your friends and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.